Hi, Jason Keeler here, the Property Review Show. Good to see you back. Thank you for joining me as we look at properties here and around the world each week. Please subscribe. Let's check it out. We're in an amazing location. Let's check it out. Look at this manor house here. Fantastic. And what's the time frame we've got here? We are in the 19th century manor house in Stirlingshire, FK2, in Falkirk, by Falkirk, in, of course, the UK. And it looks pretty fantastic. 3.5 acres, and here we are. What a fabulous place. Let's take a look around. Look at this facade. A massive towers here, looking so good. Big front entrance, and the facade is stunning with all this masonry work here, looking superb. Copper downpipes and more. Yes, indeed, there's the shot. There's your manor. There's your estate on your 3.5 acres of fabulous real estate. Only 1.75 million USD. So not much compared to Beverly Hills and Bel Air, and you get all of this fabulous estate. And inside we go. What a tremendous home. Look at the wall linings here. We see some amazing fabric wallpaper covers, and then masonry work, big ornate ceilings, chandeliers, and more. And then all of this Chesterfield style sofas and paneling everywhere. The big pelmet here, big pelmet on these drapes coming down, and in a crushed velvet style, gold ceiling paint and more, ornate ceilings with flowers and more, all in that beautiful masonry work. Into the dining area, and this looks like it's being used as a B&B accommodation. We see a huge copper fireplace with black surround, fabulous. Again, another fabric wall, and up the top here, it's crushed velvet as a border, which is fabulous. Then your masonry work, and your ceiling feature. What a fantastic example of ye olde home. Then we go into a la slightly butchered room, which means that in the 1980s they got carried away and put in this beam here, which ain't looking too good, but the rest of the place is looking pretty good. This could all be touched up in no time to bring it into the style of the rest of the home. But there's a few original pieces here, including the domes in the ceiling here, and this side paneling as well. So not too bad. And we see it again, this beautiful big pelmet here in brown above the drapes, and again velvet. And I grew up in a home with those, and it's quite beautiful to have around. You love to go up and touch them here every now and again because it feels so good. And then, of course, wallpaper, traditional, and a serving area for this B&B. In the UK, you'll see these quite often, these LED light rooms, which are often called sunrooms or day rooms or garden rooms. Just depends where they are. British flag, Union Jack in the distance here, looking pretty nice. And these sliding doors, classics, and the LED lights looking so good here. What a fantastic exit there. The bar's there as well, because remember, this is a accommodation for holidays, and that is what it's about. But you see all of yesteryear here. Before this bar was put here, you see the pelmeted drapes here and the ornate ceilings and more, and all that paneling as well. Beautiful entrance, almost a heart-like shape up here. Beautiful, stunning framing. Then we've got this Gothic style ceiling with recessed areas and more. It's a beautiful, even the lovely gold framed mirror here. Imagine living here. Your estate, your mansion. Lifestyles of the rich and famous at 1.75 million USD. This could be all yours. Great sitting room, beautiful masonry work around the fireplace, and a window seat over here as well with cupboards underneath. Pelmets again, fitting in the style, and more. It's a beautiful example, and more guest rooms for sure in a more traditional state. And of course, there's room for some updates here. Absolutely there is. There, we're going way back now. We're going 80s all the way, and this bathroom's kicking it out too. We're going all the way back there. There's some more supporting accommodation on site to make this work as a business. But plenty of room for updates, plenty of space. But what a canvas. Offers over 1.5 million pounds, around 1.75 million USD. But it is fabulous. 3.5 acres. Your mansion. Yes, indeed. What a fantastic location. And love it. Just a classic feel of the United Kingdom. And of course, you can put some crops out here. You can have some sheep or cows or horses, and you can go for it. Fantastic indeed. Very nice. Always good to look at a different property, to leave Beverly Hills for a while and see something quite amazing. And this is it. Look at that. Wow. Just impressive. And over in the UK, they do energy ratings on homes. So that's what that's about. So description, let's see it. It is on with Savills. 8 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. What have we got? 742,700 square feet, or 69,000 square meters. Freehold, it is fantastic. 19th century manor house, stables, workshop, garage, 3.5 acre paddock, and guest accommodation with en suites, 16 bedrooms there. So very, very good, and a separate cottage with potential as well. So all of that for 1.75 million USD. It's got to be good. By Falkirk, Stirlingshire, FK2 UK is the postcode. There we have it. I'm Jason Keeler with the Property Review Show. Thanks for watching. Check that one out. Check the link below. Catch you on the next one. Bye for now.